YouTube. So I'm just I made a quick video here of me sharpening and balancing some mower blades. These are off a Toro mower. Some people overthink how they do this. They do make machines that do this. We do it with a big 5-inch flap disc grinder at work. And then we just balance them on a pivot point. You can see it rocking right there on the bench. Best thing to remember is keep them balanced, get the clumped up grass off them, and grind out all the dings you can. If your lifters, which are the bent flap on the back side of the blade, if those are worn through, they need to be replaced. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, they're friggin' lawnmower blades, people. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. See me balancing it right there. Yep, now it's pretty good. Onto my bench. Moving on to the next one. I'm not going to talk through this whole video because there really isn't that much to talk about. I'm just scraping the grass off right there. I'm going to keep going. If you like these videos,